Guys, it's Shannon. So today I'm going to show you how I turned some shiny metal into one with more of a rustic and aged look. Here's a look at the corrugated metal that we purchased from Lowe's, and it had much too shiny of a look for our workshop, so I used this zinc antiquing solution by Amy Howard, which we found at Ace Hardware, and used it to age the metal. So the first thing we did was just clean the metal with some rubbing alcohol. It removed all the dirt and grease and debris from it to give a nice clean surface for the solution. Follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook. I will have those linked in the description box below. Here's a look at what the solution looks like. You definitely want to do this in a well-ventilated room because it does have a pretty potent smell. The directions said to actually dab on the solution, so that's what I did at first. However, because the metal was corrugated and not flat, it kind of gave it a look that I wasn't happy with because the solution would pool and it would kind of sit down in those ridges. So after I saw what this was doing, I went back in and sort of wiped it on so it would be more of a smooth finish instead of pooled effect with the solution. Here's a look at the metal after the solution had some time to sit and react with the metal. After the solution completely dries, then you go back in with a clean, wet cloth and wipe away as much of the solution as you can. Here's another look at the metal after it's all been wiped clean. Next, I just buffed on some clear wax by Waverly to protect the finish. Here's another look at the before metal, before the solution was added, and then an after once it's all installed. I hope that this video inspired you. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can also share this with your friends and family and inspire them too. Also, hit that subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, hit that bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.